Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to be talking about our Super Stand II. So I went ahead and pulled all the parts out of the box so you can see what you get. First off is your insert. This has some great bullet points. This does fit just about every plane of every size. Boats, hobby woodworkers, so on and so forth. On the back it does have its warnings and precautions, and then it also has your assembly instructions here. So let's go ahead and assemble this. So what we say is right off the bat, use some type of a light oil that will help with the assembly, putting these together, and then put in both tubes into one side, and then again on the other side, just go ahead and press those in. And now, once you have a light oil on that, you'll be able to move these in and out. Your ears or rocker ears, they just go onto the nubs that look like ears on the ends. And then your foam pads have a peel back on them. You peel that off and you stick those onto your rocker ears like such, and now you have a nice cushiony pad for your plane, boat, or project to be on. So if you've got any questions on your part number 402, this is the Super Stand II by Robart. Just give us a call at 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much. Have a great day.